Good evening, friends. This is Peter. Today, I'm going to present to you what are the things required for a resident shift. This is Peter from Evergrow Trading Services Company Limited. Our company specializes in logistics, transfer of residents, translation, trading, and many other services. Today, the video is on the transfer residence. Some of my customers are going abroad because they have some bad experiences and they want to ship back to India. So this particular video is for those who want to ship their stuff, their personal baggages to India. Actually, one of my customer and my good friend, he wants to settle back to India because he has some bad experiences and because of some business losses that he is shifting from China to India. He has asked me for help and we have helped him. You may go through some of my before works where I have helped a lot of people from transfer their residence from China to India via Hong Kong. This is another video for that particular work. All you have to do is to pack your bag and send the details to me, that is the invoice and packing list, and based on that I can give you a rough figure like how the shipments could be sent from China to India via Hong Kong. After the shipment arrives in Hong Kong, all we have to do is to appoint the CHA, that is the custom clearing agent, and the custom clearing agent will tell you when the shipment will be cleared. In my friend's perspective, the shipment was cleared on time. He was very happy and he has given me a thumbs up, and I would suggest all these services to so many people who, because of some reasons, they cannot shift their residence, and they end up giving goods to those people who do not know how to handle the residence shifting. Some of you have been having a bad experiences saying that you have given the shipment to someone and the shipment did not reach. We are not like that. We take full guarantee of the shipments that we take, and we have our own office in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, as well as in Guangzhou. You can visit my office any point of time. This is the video I am making from my Shenzhen office itself. So if you guys are looking for a permanent residence shift, if you are looking for help in custom clearing in India, if you are looking for shifting your stuff, your personal stuff, your second-hand stuff, your bed, your sheet, your shoes, your clothes from China to India, then you can contact me. This is Peter. We will be in touch. Thank you very much and have a good evening. Bye bye.